वेरी वॉर्म गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू. मेरे प्यारे बच्चे, पहले तो ये बताइए कैसे हैं आप लोग. और जो मैं YouTube के इस प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से आपको समझाना चाहती हूँ, व्हाट आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन एंड व्हाट आई वांट टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू, ये प्रोसेस मेरा सक्सेसफुल है कि नहीं, ये मुझे आप कमेंट के थ्रू बताएंगे. And today I am going to start the leftover portion of the lesson, the fun they had from Beehive book of CBSE board class 9th. So I am starting from where I had stopped. जब हम पिछली पार्ट 1 में वहाँ स्टॉप किए थे कि उससे पता चला कि रियल स्कूल में रियल टीचर्स होते थे. तो यहाँ मैंने पार्ट 1 को छोड़ा था. अब हम इसका हाफ पार्ट 2 स्टार्ट करते हैं. A man. How could a man be a teacher? Then Maggie was not able to believe that in centuries years ago there were real school, and then in the real school real teachers were going to teach the children. उसे विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा था कि पहले रियल टीचर्स होते थे और यही रियल टीचर्स जो थे वो पढ़ाते भी थे. Because in her life she had seen the mechanical teacher teaching her, so she was not able to believe about this fact that real teacher were existing in the past and they were teaching the children in the school, real school building or premises, because she was getting all the lesson, all the teaching from the mechanical teacher. Then what happened? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them question. Well, the real teacher was giving all the boys and girls whatever assignment was there. He was dictating them the assignment, he was teaching them, he was explaining everything to them, and then he or she was asking question to the children, to the students. A man isn't smart enough. Marky said, I don't think so that a man is smart enough. He is more intelligent. He or she is more intelligent than machine, because machine knows everything. So according to her opinion, she was saying that man is not smart enough to be compared with machine, because machine is having more knowledge. उसके हिसाब से लगता था कि एक मैन जो है, चाहे वो ही हो चाहे शी हो, जो टीचर है, जो क्लास में जाता है, उसके पास उतनी बुद्धि नहीं है जितना कि एक मशीन के पास है, जिससे वो पढ़ती थी, जिस मैकेनिकल टीचर से वो पढ़ती थी. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. And then Tommy, her friend said, you don't know. My father is far more intelligent than my machine, than my mechanical teacher, because he knows everything. Sometimes even my mechanical teacher doesn't know about the same thing which my father knows. So I can bet on that, yes, the real teachers were also intelligent. He knows almost as much, I betcha. Means I bet on you that he knows more than our mechanical teacher. Means the teacher who were going to the class and who were physically present in the class, they were having more knowledge as compared to the machine. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Margie was not in a mood to have an argument about this, that who is more knowledgeable, whether the real teacher or the machine. And she said, oh, I don't like any strange person whom I don't know will come to my house and will teach me. I don't want. मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई strange man मेरे घर में आए और मैं उससे पढ़ूं. ये तो मुझे पसंद नहीं है. Then what happened? Dispute means you disagree on certain thing. जैसे मैं बोली कि अब मुझे I like rainy season, but you don't like, then हो सकता है हम इसमें argument करें. This is called dispute. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Marky. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a specific building and all the kids went there. Then Tommy found the statement of the Margie very strange, and Tommy said, first of all he laughed, and then he said, you don't know, Margie, anything about that time. You are unaware. At that time the teachers were not coming to the class. They were not coming to take class of the student in their own house. they were coming to a specific building that was called school, and there all the students were coming and they were taking their class. जो टॉमी है उसको पहले तो उसे हंसी आती है मार्गी के आर्ग्यूमेंट में, फिर वो बोलता है कि तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता है मार्गी, उस समय स्टूडेंट्स जो होते थे एक स्पेसिफिक बिल्डिंग में आते थे जिसे हम स्कूल बोलते हैं, और वहाँ टीचर आता था, उन बच्चों को पढ़ाता था. And all the kids learned the same thing, and all the kids of the same class were learning the same thing, and there was no difference in the subject material which was taught to them. मतलब क्लास में आए तो जो एक बच्चा सुन रहा है वही सारे बच्चे सुनेंगे, जो एक बच्चा पढ़ रहा है वही सारे बच्चे पढ़ेंगे, वो कोई डिफरेंस नहीं था स्टडी मटेरियल में. एंड मार्गी वॉज surprised to listen that all the kids were sitting in the same class learning same thing, and it was making her astonished. She was surprised. उसको आश्चर्य लग रहा था कैसे हो सकता है. But my mother says our teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Now Margie is referring to one of the statement said by the mother that teacher has to fit according to the mindset of the individual student. See, all students are having their individual difference, so teacher has to set according to the individual difference of the student, and then he or she has to deliver the lecture. मार्गी को याद है कि मम्मी ने क्या बोला था. मम्मी ने बोला था कि हर एक बच्चा का जो माइंडसेट है अलग है, ग्रास्पिंग पावर अलग है, तो टीचर को जो है एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा बच्चे के अकॉर्डिंग, एंड फिर देन टीचिंग प्रोसेस होता है. Just the same, they didn't do it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Tommy replied, in the past when this real school were existing, Tommy बोलता है in the past when real schools were existing, when real schools were there, what happened? They not do it that way. They were not doing the way we are learning. He got irritated at Margie and said that she need not read the book. He got irritated by Margie because Margie was asking question, recollecting, referring, and he said you should not read the book. वो irritate हो गया, बोला अब तुम ना बुक रीड मत करो और मत पूछो भाई सवाल. She wanted to read about those funny school, but Margie wanted to read about those funny school. Those funny school means Margie के mindset में वो funny school है, but वो funny school तो है नहीं. Margie ने perceive किया है कि वो funny school है, and she wanted to know about this funny school. Then what happened? They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie, school. Margie and Tommy has not finished the book. They had finished the book half. Only they had read the half portion of the book, and in between a sound came, and mother was stating, Margie, this is your school time. Go to school. Go for your classes. Now said Mrs. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. She's requested, Mama, not yet. I don't want to take the classes right now, and it's not the time. It's not the time for my classes. Now said Mrs. Johns, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Mrs. John was a strict lady regarding school timings, and she said, no, you have to go to school because it's your school time, and I think so Tommy is also having his classes too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after the school? And then Margie asked to Tommy that I want to read this book with you, so after my school, if you will allow, I will read this book about the school with you. टॉमी से वो परमिशन लेती है कि जब मेरा स्कूल ख़त्म हो जाएगा फिर मैं आपके साथ ये बुक पढ़ूंगी. Maybe he said nonchalantly. Now here nonchalantly means not showing much interest or carelessly. Means if you don't want something, so you will say, if I'm asking you want to drink tea, no, I don't like, but if you want, मतलब I don't want, but because you are insisting I am doing. And sometimes it's like no, let me think, मतलब मुझे सोचने दो. तो here what happened, Tommy tried to ignore her and said that yes, she could read it after her classes. मतलब एक तरीके से he was giving signal कि he is not interested to sit with her to read this book. Then what happened, Then what happened? He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Tommy was feeling very great because Margie was interested in reading the book. Tommy felt very great because he thought, due to me, I had found the book and I had described it very well. That's why Margie wanted to read this book. He placed the book under his arm. What he did, like this, he placed the book under his arm and he went off to his home because he was Margie's friend. He was in Margie's house. Then he went to his own home for taking his own class. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Margie reached in her room, which was right next to her bedroom. Means Margie's classroom was right next to her bedroom, and it was her virtual class. Computer was there, and on the screen everything was coming. So what happened? It was on. The computer was on and was waiting for her to begin the class, and the computer was waiting for the instruction from Margie's side to start the class. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. The timetable was set, and this time was fixed for the class, and she has to on that computer every day at the same time to take her classes. Then what happened? And this classes was off for Saturday and Sunday, and the mother was in opinion that little girl learn very fast, they learn everything quickly, they learn everything easily when they are learning it at fixed and regular hours. अगर आप एक दिन में 1 घंटे पढ़ते किसी सब्जेक्ट को और डेली पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें आपको कमांड आएगा. चाहे आप देखिए, एक दिन पढ़ेंगे आपको नहीं समझ में आएगी, आप उसको दूसरे दिन पढ़िए फिर नहीं समझ में आएगी, तीसरे दिन पढ़िए, कुछ ना कुछ समझ में आना चालू हो जाएगा. यानी कि आप रेगुलरली किसी चीज़ को टाइम देना चालू करेंगे तो आप उस चीज़ को समझना भी चालू करेंगे. Then what happened? The screen was lit up and it said, "Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot." Margie sat in front of the, जैसे ये मेरा सोच लीजिए कंप्यूटर क्लासरूम है. I sat in front of my computer class, my virtual class. Margie ऐसी बैठी क्लास के सामने, and what happened? The screen lit up. And what was coming on the screen? That today we will be dealing with the arithmetic lesson from mathematics subject. Then another message came, and it was arithmetic lesson, and the topic was addition of proper fraction. Then another message came on the screen that you have to insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Proper timing, you have to insert your homework so that that teacher will be doing the assessment. Margie did so with a shy. Margie's life is also very mechanical, just like machine. Margie की भी जो life थी mechanical हो गई थी. She has to follow all the instruction given by the teacher because there was no fun in the classroom. There was display, इसमें आते जाते आ रहा है, ये करना आपको, ये करना है, and she was following. No fun element was there. जैसे आप क्लास में रहते हैं, कभी आप खुश होते हो, कभी आप डांट खाते हो, कभी आप मस्ती करते हो, कभी आपको टीचर पढ़ाते पढ़ाते फन एलिमेंट देती है, आपको अच्छा लगता है, इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है. बट मार्गी के केस में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वर्चुअल क्लास में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. तो मार्गी भी मैकेनिकल टीचर के जैसे मैकेनिकल हो गई थी. शी ऑल्सो बिकेम मैकेनिकल बिकॉज देयर वॉज नो फन एलिमेंट इन द क्लास. It was very dull and boring for her, just like a machine, just like that machine from which she is the class is being given. She also became dull and boring. She was thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy, and she started thinking that how much my grandfather's grandfather had enjoyed when they were going to द रियल स्कूल. उसको ध्यान आता है मेरे दादाजी मेरे परदादा जी कितना मज़ा करते होंगे ना वो पुराने वाले रियल स्कूल में जाने से. सब बच्चे होते होंगे, मस्ती करते होंगे, खेलते होंगे. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. इस पैसेज को तो आप भी समझ सकते हैं. देखिए कई बार क्या होता है, आपके नेबरहुड में 4-5 बच्चे हैं, आप लोग एक साथ, when you are going to the school, you all, when you are on the way to the school, you enjoy with your friends. That is a type of refreshment for you. And then sitting in the same class and enjoying the activities of the class, in the recess taking lunch together, sharing the book and copy, sharing the feelings, sharing the sad things, sharing the happy things, make you feel good. आपको अच्छा लगता है. तो मतलब एंड ऑफ द डे यू फील, आफ्टर द स्कूल इज ओवर, यू फील रिलैक्स्ड. ओके, आई हैड मेट माई फ्रेंड, आई हैड शेयर दिस थिंग, नाउ आई एम रिलैक्स. तो वो सिचुएशन वो इमेजिन कर रही है, थिंक कर रही है. They learned the same thing, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. अब इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा तो आप लोग नहीं समझ सकते. देखिए, all the students sitting in the class were learning the same thing. सब के सब एक ही चीज़ पढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक, अब सब के सब एक ही चीज़ पढ़ रहे हैं, तो whenever teacher has given some homework, they can share the homework with each other and they will be able to do the homework. मान लो मुझे नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं आपसे ले लूँगी और आपका देख के कर लूँगी. तो ये सारी चीज़ें मार्गी के दिमाग में आ रही है, थॉट प्रोसेस में आ रही है. And the teachers were people. She found it's very strange, it's very unusual that the teachers were not machine, they were real human beings. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, and then the question was there on the screen and she is lost in her thought about the old school, the fun the children were having in the school, the sharing of the homework, everything. And then what happened, there was a question which was flashing on the screen. ऐसे screen पे question आ रहा है कि add 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. And Margie was lost in the thought ki how the children were enjoying the classroom, how the friends were sharing the things, and they were literally enjoying every second of the school. And now she was thinking about the fun they had. And now she's thinking how lucky those children were, those who enjoyed the school, those who enjoyed the school life. एंड इन दिस वे दिस लेसन इज ओवर. ये लेसन में पूरा ये बताया गया था कि वर्चुअल क्लासरूम इज गुड, but then too you are not able to meet your friends, then too you are not able to share your thoughts. But in real school you can share your thoughts, you can sit with your friend, you can have fun in your life, and you will be relaxed, you will be refreshed. It will not be happening in the virtual classroom. And ultimately Margie was 11 years old child, so she was thinking about the fun which the child were doing, about the homework, which if like some homework had been given to me and I was not able to do it, so I can borrow the homework copy of my friend and I can copy it and I can complete my homework and my work will be completed. I will be appreciated by the teacher. But please don't do this thing. Do the homework by your own self. Now this is the story, so we will be dealing with some question answers. Like देखिए, पहला क्वेश्चन अगर आपके दिमाग में आता है, हाउ ओल्ड आर मार्गी एंड टॉमी. सिंपल, मार्गी इज 11 years and टॉमी इज 13 years. तो कैसे लिख सकते हैं, हाउ ओल्ड आर मार्गी एंड टॉमी. तो मार्गी वॉज 11 years old and टॉमी वॉज 13 years old. What did Margie write in her diary? देखिए, what did Margie write in her diary? तो what you have to do on 17th May 2157, Margie write का wrote हो जाएगा. write का क्या हो जाएगा, wrote in her diary that डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में डालिए, टॉमी फाउंड अ रियल बुक. सिंपल आंसर है, 1 marks में इतना ही लिखिए, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं लिखने की ज़रूरत है, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मत कीजिए. हाउ मार्गी एवर सीन अ बुक बिफोर. कोशिश कीजिए इसे भी सिंपल करने की. आप अपने NCERT बुक के बैक एक्सरसाइजेस में जो क्वेश्चन है उसको सॉल्व करिए, वैल्यू पॉइंट्स बनाइए और उसको सेंटेंस बनाइए, सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाइए ताकि आपको करने में अच्छा लगे, आप उसको कर सके, आपको आंसर्स उसके आ जाए. ये सब करने से और आप जैसे वैल्यू पॉइंट्स बनाना चालू करेंगे तो आपको आंसर लिखने में इजी होगा. और कोई डाउट हो, वैल्यू पॉइंट्स नहीं बनते हों, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन सो दैट आई विल बी डीलिंग विथ ऑल द डाउट्स ऑफ योर्स of how to write value points and then how to make sentence with the value points so that you will be able to write the answers. Thank you so much. Have a nice and bright day. Love you, my kids.